Hey everyone! Today we've got a quick and easy tutorial for you on how to edit PDFs on Windows using Microsoft Edge. Stick around because I'll show you the entire process in just 60 seconds. First step is to find the PDF file you want to open, then right-click on it. Hover over Open With and select Microsoft Edge from the list of options. Once the PDF file is open, you can now edit text, draw, erase, or highlight content easily. To add text, simply click on the Add Text icon, then position the mouse cursor where you want to add the text. To draw, click on the Draw icon, then choose a color and pen thickness. You can erase any drawing made using the Erase tool. You can also highlight any text you want by clicking the highlight icon. You can choose the color and thickness of the highlight. Now the crucial part. Save your changes by clicking Save As. Make sure to choose a location and hit Save.